So today we will cover another topic of data science, which is the median of a number. So first of all, we will see what is meant by a median of a number. Median is basically the middle number in an ordered data set. The median of a data set is the number at position n plus 1 divided by 2 in the ordered list. Now what is n over here? It's the number of observations. Let's consider how to implement this logic. So first of all, we will analyze how to generate the logic for this, and then we will implement this in SQL. Now there are two possibilities that can occur. Suppose it's an odd number of values. Second possibility can be it will be an even number of values. So now let's consider the scenario 1 where you have odd number of values. Like here in the example, I have considered 5 values. Okay. So now how to compute the median in such scenarios? So what it says is, if you have an odd number, divide by 2 and round up to get the position of median number, right? So what we have to do, first of all, what are the total number of values? It's 5. Now we have to divide it by 2, right? So what do we get? 2.5. Now that we have to round up to the closest integer. So here it will go down to 3. Okay. So now first step that we need to do is sort this. First step is we have to sort this list in an order, like ascending order. So what we'll do, these values, we will sort it in an ascending order first. Now here you can see 1.99 is first, then is 29.99, then again 4.99. We'll sort this first. So here the step 1 which is there of sorting is implemented. Okay. So here you can see now all the values are sorted in an ascending order. Okay. Now in this sorted values, what we are going to do, we are going to pick up a position. Now what is the logic of that position? Total number of values divided by 2, which is 2.5, and round it to the nearest integer, which is 3. So we have to pick up a value at position 3. So which is this one, the one which is highlighted in yellow, 4.99. So the median in this case is 4.99. Let's switch to scenario number 2. In this case, it's an even number of values. So again, the logic is first we have to sort all the values in an order, ascending order. So here you can see 69.99 is at top, then 1.99. So if we sort this in a order, ascending order, we'll see 1.99 is at top, and then 69.99 being the highest value goes to the bottom. Now what is the logic if you have an even number? So what we have to do, we have to divide by 2. Okay. Now here what are the total number of values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2. So it is 3. So we have to consider that position and number next to that, which is the 4th position. So 3rd and 4th position we have to consider. So the numbers at 3rd position and 4th position are 2.99 and 4.99. And these two numbers we have to just average out. Like we have to add these two numbers and divide by 2. So what is the logic? If you have an even number, divide by 2, go to the number in that position and average it with the number in the next higher position, and this will give you the median. Okay, so now let's do that. So what is the number at the third position? 2.99. What is the number at the fourth position? 4.99. We have to add it and divide by 2. So median in this case will be 3.99. So now let's move to the SQL part. Here you can see that we have one table in which we have different details. Like mainly what we have to focus over here is like these two columns, like platform and USD price. So we have over here Android and iOS and USD price as the second column. Now what we want is the median and based on the platform. That means for Android we have to find median. For iOS we have to find median. Okay, so now how to implement this in SQL, we are going to write the logic. So in SQL, we have a inbuilt function that is called percentile underscore CONT. Okay, now what does this percentile does? It calculates a percentile based on a continuous distribution of column value in SQL Server. So percentile underscore count is an inverse distribution function that assumes a continuous distribution model. Now in this case, you can observe we are giving the parameter as 0.5 to get the median. So this way we are using percentile underscore CONT function, and here we have to specify two things. The group which we have to form, it is based on USD price. So you can see over here the grouping is done by USD price and we are ordering by USD price, like how we performed the same thing previously. While understanding the logic, we ordered it first. And then second step, what we have to do, we have to partition it by platform, right? So once you do these two things, like ordering and partition, you can see that you will get the median. So I hope you would have liked this video. So if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, just write that in the description box. And please like this video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.